Hi everyone, welcome back to Life with Neye. The new Brunswick Community College application portal just opened. Are you aware? Have you applied for your admission? The spaces are filling up quickly. I'm going to show you how to submit your application the right way. By the end of this video, you will know everything you need to complete your NBCC application. Before we start, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. These are the documents you need for your NBCC application: your international passport, your high school diploma certificate if applicable, your post-secondary certificate if applicable, WAEC and NECO scratch card PIN for Nigerians, change of name documents if you have changed your name to your husband's name. Make sure you have these things ready before you start your application, and be sure to check the specific admission requirements for that program you're going for. Do not just apply without knowing the requirements for the program you're going for. Let's go to the browser, type nbcc.ca to open the school website. Go to Admissions and Finances. Click on International homepage. This is where you get information that has to do with international students that are coming to NBCC. Click on Program List, Post-Graduation Work Permit Eligible Fields. This is where you find all the programs that are eligible for post-graduation work permit and the ones that are not eligible. Please make sure you look through this page carefully and be sure that the program you have in mind is eligible for post-graduation work permit. If you choose a program that is not eligible, you will not be able to get the working experience in Canada after your studies. So if you think you want to work in Canada after your studies, make sure you choose a program that is post-graduation work permit eligible. People that are interested in studying practical nursing, note that practical nursing program is not for international students in this college. For this college, their practical nursing program is only for domestic students and permanent resident students. Choose the program you're going for. For this application, I'm choosing personal support worker, acute care. When you open this place, scroll down a little bit. Make sure you check properly to be sure that you are eligible to apply. Now click on Apply Now. Then click on International Applicants. It opens a new page. You scroll down and click on Apply Now. It takes you to the virtual application system. On this page, you will have to create an account with your email address and a password. I am skipping that part because I already created an account on the application portal, so I don't have to do that anymore. Before you get to this place, you would see a place where you will have to put in your details, your international passport number, your address, your phone number, your full name, and everything that has to do with you before you get to this point. Now here, you will choose the level of education you're going for. If it is a certificate program, if it is a diploma program, you will choose the campus you're going to. You will choose the program you're going for. The next page will be showing you the application summary. Make sure you read through properly. Check to be sure there is no mistake, there is no error anywhere. Check the boxes, read through and check the boxes before you save. On this page, you have to pay for this application. For NBCC, the application fee is $100. So you click on Pay Now. It brings you to a new page. On this page, you will still have to confirm your information to be sure everything is okay. And then select your payment method. Are you paying with a Visa, debit, or credit card? Are you paying with a MasterCard? You will have to choose what you're paying with, and then you click Next. The next page is your student information. Make sure your full name is showing exactly how it should be, and make sure your email address is showing exactly how it should be before you click Confirm. On this page, you will have to do the payment proper. Now, look through the page again, read through everything and be sure you are okay. Then you click Pay Now. When you click Pay Now, it should take you to a new page where you enter your card details if you're paying with your card. You should be able to enter your card information, your card number, the expiry date of your card, and then click pay. And that's how you apply to NBCC, step by step. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Life with Neye for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!